Are you ready to start your business journey in one of the most thriving business hubs in the world? Then welcome friends, my name is Bhapri Singh Soni. Today I am going to tell you how you can start your business in Dubai, what's the process, cost, timeline, everything I will explain in detail. Now let's start this video. So why choose Dubai for business? Dubai is hub to over 30 free trade zones. Now in Dubai there is zero taxation policy, means no tax in free zone. Like in India, you need to pay 30% taxes. No taxes in Dubai. Second, strategic location, booming market. Everything is provided by Dubai government and everything is crazy in Dubai and growing. Now, what's the process for company formation setup in Dubai? First, you need to identify a business activity. What type of business activity you will undertake? Like food business, restaurant business, consulting business, renting business. What type of business you will do? Second, trademark, trade name. Your trade name must be simple, catchy, and if you need any help in trademark filing, we are here to help you. Third thing you need to provide is your passport. We need your passport copy to start your company formation work in Dubai. Now, you need to draft a memorandum of association, MOA. We can also do this for you. In MOA, your company objectives, shareholder agreements, shareholders and capital will be defined. Now, how much time it will take to form a company in Dubai? Usually it takes 7 to 10 business days and working days to form a company in Dubai. Now let's talk about office space. For mainland companies, you will need a physical office space in Dubai. For free zone companies, the free zone authority will assist you with office space. Now, what about tax and authority and tax regulation? Once your company is set up, the next step is to enroll with the Federal Tax Authority, FTA. Once you are registered with FTA, you will get tax registration number, TRN. Now, you need a bank account. Bank account opening process is typical in Dubai, UAE. Please remember that. So, if your agent is not competent, then don't go with him. And there are so many fake agents in the market who will make fake promises to you. So please remember, in mainland, bank account opening process is simple. Within a month your bank account will be opened. But in free zones, bank account opening process is typical. It may take up to 1 month, 2 months, 3 months to open your bank account in free zone. So please hire a competent agent who can assist you with all the process and bank account opening in Dubai. In Dubai, crypto is also legal. There is VARA license. There are various opportunities available in Dubai, and there are various free zones where you can open your company and trade from there and save taxes. Number one thing is taxes. People from India are moving to Dubai to save taxes. People are from US, UK, Canada, Germany are moving to Dubai. Number one for lifestyle, safety and taxes. So you can also start your business in Dubai, UAE and grow your business, save taxes and enjoy a luxury lifestyle. So if you want to know more about Dubai company formation process, costing process, everything in detail, you can WhatsApp on this number, connect with us, visit our website and our team will connect with you. If you have any doubts, question, comment section is open for you. Comment down below, we will answer it. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching this video.